signs of rust there. That's terrible. She's gonna have to go. You might just be buddies. I'm making assumptions. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to a gateway with a view from Enfield Water Park. Now with new restrictions. No swimming. Don't see why you would. No barbecues, I guess. No littering, definitely. You might swim over there in the pond, but only if you fall off your sailing boat. Now I'm here today with Waynata. It's the first time in a ruddy long time that Waynata is out on the roads. She's been parked up all the way through my Wales trip, my France trip. She might have gone out a couple of times between Wales and France because I did kind of commute to work with my colleague. Other than that, she's just been sat at home with the battery tender, keeping the battery healthy. But it's been too long. And this is the thing, now that I don't commute to work every day, I'm working from home. Now that I'm not doing that commute, she's not really coming out much to play. But that's about to change because tomorrow we're going to a Essex Fire Service fire bike workshop at Northfield Airfield, and that's going to be all about machine control, slow speed maneuvers, and all of that kind of jazz. And I had a choice of which bike I was going to take, and I decided that I was going to go with a Himalayan because I don't really do much practice of that stuff on her, and I've got to get used to it again. This is a bit loose, I need tightening, and I've just noticed some signs of rust there, so I might put something there to protect it. But other than that, poor Waynata hasn't really done much mileage at all this year. She's been parked in the garage, whereas in 2022 we easily did 5,000 miles on her. This is 2023, and let's check out the total mileage so far. So let's have a look. Switch her on. So total mileage 5,931. That's the total mileage. Trip A, 902 miles in 2023. That's terrible. So we need to change that. We need to do something about that. I don't know what it's going to be, because frankly the majority of the riding that I'm doing these days is country road riding, observing and going on tours. That's not really what I bought Waynata for. It was for commuting and going green laning, and we haven't done any green laning. She's never seen mud, so we need to fix that. We definitely need to fix that. Otherwise she's gonna have to go. What are we gonna do? Maybe we could look at upgrading to the new one that's coming out, the liquid cooled one that's going to have a little bit more power. So that might be better for travel. That might be able to go on a few tours. Although to be fair, I'm a bit of a chicken. I mean, Saddleback 73 did a whole tour of Ireland on his 411 air-cooled Himalayan. It didn't seem to be an issue. So I think a noob just needs to pull his finger out and actually start doing stuff. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Not sure when this video is going to come out, but my France tour videos have started coming out now. I hope you've been able to see those. Those are all obviously on Frankie, the Kawasaki Z1000SX. I hope you're enjoying those. I hope you had a good look at the Wales videos as well, and let me know your thoughts on those. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give the video a like, thumbs up. If you haven't done so, you could click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if it's the first time you're in the channel, check out the other videos and consider giving it a subscription.
A few minutes later.
Well, you meet the nicest people at Enfield Water. I was just there taking some photos of Waynata, you know, for the Instagram and the thumbnail. And Clyde pulled up. He was on a scram taking it for a little test ride from Bacon's, and he was with his son. His son was on a Harley, well, I think he was his son, Sorry if you're not related. I thought you you might have been father and son. You might just be buddies. I'm making assumptions. And Clyde was thinking about buying a Himalayan, but they didn't have one for him to test ride, so he was taking the Scram out for a while. So yeah, we had a nice chat about the bike. Well, good luck, Clyde. I hope you get the right bike for you. Right, I think it's time to go home and do some non-bike stuff, unfortunately. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Clyde, I hope you become a subscriber, and I'll see you in some future videos. But for now, from Felop, this is NooBiker.